Matapos ibahagi ni Liza Soberano ang mga naranasan niya sa kanyang buhay, maraming mga Filipino at fans ang talaga namang sumuporta sa pagkakataong ibinahagi ni Liza ang kanyang naging buhay. Makulay man ito at nakaharap ng napakaraming issues, pero marami ang mga taong natuto sa pagkwento ni Liza ng kanyang nakaraan. Isa na nga dito ay si Jackie Forster na nagbigay ng suporta at mensahe para kay Liza. You are so brave and inspiring. Trust that in time all wounds heal. You need to know you are worthy and you are loved. Sending the biggest mama hugs to you. Please know you are not alone. I will keep you in my prayers from now on. Kaya naman sa kanyang Instagram ay nagbigay din ng mensahe ng pasasalamat si Liza sa lahat ng naka-appreciate sa kanya. To everyone who has commended or messaged privately, thank you so much for the kind words and the thoughtful empathy that you have conveyed to me. The world is a better place because of people like you. To 4-year-old Hope, who's in the midst of a painful upside-down world just trying to stay a child, thank you. Thank you for staying determined and strong, for choosing to keep pushing ahead to build a beautiful life worth living. I know you must be wondering why I'm sharing our story, why now, and why this. Doon ay kinuwento ni Liza na napakaraming mga batang Filipino ang biktima ng napakaraming hindi magagandang experience. Kaya naman nananawagan siya na matulungan ang mga tao at kahit papaano makatulong ang kanyang kwento na mabawasan ang exposure o mga nararanasang hindi maganda ng kabataang Filipino. Ayon pa kay Liza, as an actress, my job is to entertain, but as a public figure, my responsibility is to speak up on the things that matter. From a place that matters, all of me dreads sharing the most intimate parts of my soul, just for people to judge and diminish my experiences. But I don't speak up out of discomfort or fear. What chance does all the scared and voiceless women and children that are still in dangerous situations have? So it is a privilege and honor to be able to share my experiences so that even just one little girl out there can feel encouraged to speak up. So for anyone who needs to hear this, people may try to guilt you or shame you for speaking up. Don't let them. Only those with hardness in their hearts will discourage your voice. Cruel people will try to discredit your story. They'll say you are exaggerating or being self-serving. Don't mind them. Only weak people would respond to stories of pain with doubt and interrogation. Worst of all, some will even try to exploit your story for their personal gain, responding to your pain with gossip and attention seeking, making it a source of entertainment. They will hijack your hardships to seek attention and self importance. Pay them no mind. Only those who, with no light of their own, need to use the sadness of others as fuel for their egos. You will shine and they will fade away. Kasama ng nasabing post ang ilan sa mga litrato ni Liza noong bata pa siya. Dagdag pa niya, let's make a stand together, fight together, and work together to create a safer and kinder world for each other. Bit by bit, let's make meaningful change and stop allowing the callous and greedy from driving our narrative.